Okay. Hello. So Malu with me. As you all know, she's from Nepal, and she's trying the famous oyster here in one Chinese restaurant in Guangzhou, Baiyun, China. As you can see, the oyster is garnished with with some chili. There is some chili over there, and there is like onions and some pepper. So she will try it and she will tell us how she feels. It's her first time, by the way, people. So let's see. You try first or I will try first? You try first. It's okay. I will show her how to eat it. It's a little bit hot because it's grilled.
A bit, it's too much, too hot.
Smells good. Okay, I will eat it. I will not eat it the way I eat it in my country because we don't usually grill it. We just pour it in hot water and it's good to eat.
I just had a sip of the...
She said I will try it first. You said I will try it first.
I just could not... The soup here, see?
Oh, the soup is for it. Okay, so we'll try it together since, yeah, she can't wait. I will remove the chili because I am scared. I might cry, so I will remove some of the chili.
I just got the garlic only.
I will leave the garlic and then the onion. Sometimes I do eat spicy foods, but I don't usually eat the chili itself. It's scary.
I can reach my tongue there.
No, you should eat it like this. Okay, finish the soup.
It's finished.
Okay. Like this. You have to swallow everything. You have to like that.
This is really bigger than her.
Like the shell?
Yeah.
No, you have to like that.
Okay.
So, let's do it. At the count of Okay, again. At the count of 3. Cheers. 1, 2, 3.
So nice. But very less. Like this big shell. And then there is very little, and then on top of that there is too much garlic and then onion.
On this kind of things, on this kind of food, this kind of shell food, you will expect the inside part, the meat part, to be small because if it will be big, it will not close. How do you feel?
Really nice. And then we are going to Philippines tomorrow. I am excited about the seafood there, very much. Actually, I didn't wanted to try this here because I wanted to try it in Philippines. For the first time I wanted to try it in Philippines, but we could not resist the people they are making here, so I just wanted to try it.
Okay, so next stop will be Philippines tomorrow.
Here, do it here.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, now it's fine.
Tomorrow.
Later, we are going to
Bye
airport in a while
guys.
now.
See you later. Watch out for our vlog Philippines, starring Mallika. She'll go to the Philippines for the first time, and I'll be your host. So find out what Philippines can offer her. Okay, she'll enjoy.
Okay,
Watch
bye-bye.
out. Watch out.